In regard to the question about shelf life, it is important to understand that all fuels degrade over time. Fuels that are stored for long periods of time and subject to temperature extremes can form sediment and gums that clog filters, strainers, and nozzles. There is no specific shelf life for number 2 fuel, but there is one for biodiesel. B100 has a minimum shelf life of 6 months. And recent data shows that B20 available in the marketplace appears to have a minimum shelf life of 1 year. The shelf life of number 2 varies and can be similar to biodiesel. Additives are available that improve the shelf life of both number 2 oil and biodiesel. The pour point of a fuel is the lowest temperature at which it will flow. Pour points can vary, although there is normally no issue with in-ground tanks. Additives and kerosene are often added to outside above-ground tanks to ensure that fuel can reach the burner on the coldest days of the year. At a B20 level, there doesn't appear to be any issues that require additional actions over those that are required for number 2 oil. Companies using B20 have not experienced issues related to the fuel's viscosity. And as the industry moves to higher blends of biodiesel, the viscosity of the fuels might lead to poor atomization. Simply raising the pump pressure alleviates any issues related to the viscosity of bioheat. The BTU content of B100 averages 8% less than that of number 2 oil. B20 averages approximately 1 to 2% less than number 2 oil. This is similar to the BTU reduction that occurred when the industry switched to ultra-low sulfur heating oil, commonly referred to as ULSD. The switch to ULSD resulted in less fouling of heat exchangers and less degradation of heating system efficiency during the year, more than compensating for the slight difference in BTU content. Bioheat has even less sulfur than ULSD and burns cleaner than number 2 oil. We expect its use to have similar effects to what has been experienced with ULSD. The slight difference in BTU content will have little or no effect.